next week we have an important event taking place which is called Adult Learners Week. People sometimes think of education as just being from small children, perhaps to 18 years of age, but learning takes place throughout the whole of your life, as we know.
For us, as foreigners, is one of the most important thing to study, for example, English. If we would like to live in this country for a while, the communication is the most important thing, yes.
If you want your earning potential to change, and you want your career to change, and you want your knowledge basis to be more, I think returning was your only option. You can sort of have a look at what courses they do, have a think about what you're interested in, and then come in and have a chat. And that's what I did.
Like me, myself, I didn't have the chance to progress in Syria in my studies. So now I'm doing ESOL.
Yeah, I strongly recommend it. It is a transition, but the staff here have been wonderful, not just the lecturers, the support staff behind the scenes, helping us sort out financial issues and stuff like that, getting the right funding to be able to allow us to be able to do it. So I'd highly recommend it.